現役時代の。
Konnichiwa! Hi, my name is Florence and welcome to part 3 of our Saitama feature. Today we are at our accommodation, Miyamoto House. Okay, this one says Kiseno Sato, who is a very famous sumo wrestler.
稀勢の里関はですね、もう何年かぶりに日本人の横綱になった方で、今はちょっと引退されてしまったんですけど、はい、すごく強い方だったんですよ。あ、それいいじゃないですか。こっち。
なんかウサギが可愛いです。I think I'm going to wear this one with the rabbit. Yay! So this is the Ogama-buro, which means the cauldron bathtub. So this is a very traditional Japanese style bath which is heated by firewood. I've never seen any bathtubs like this. Wow, it's so cool. Actually the water is not too hot. Okay. Yeah. So the Miyamoto house also runs an onsen called the Miyamoto Onsen. If you like, you can come down and try out the different bath options, such as this one here, the ceramic bathtub. So before dinner starts, you come to the Kura Bar and try one of the homemade liquors.
じゃあこちらが狩りになります。2006年、13年後の。
The taste is pretty refreshing and it's pretty soothing, but it does taste quite strong. So, wow!
宮本家の代々のものが展示されてるんですね。300年続いてます。これ、はい。
かっこいい。
現役時代のもう10年近く前。
So for dinner, we are going to have a traditional chanko hot pot over this indoor fire pit. It's my first time, so I'm very excited.
Whoa!
Oh my god! 結構ヘルシーに見えるけど。Wow! Look at all these! Oh, it's really flavorful. Good morning everyone! So I really enjoyed my stay here. The food was amazing and the hot spring was really awesome too. So now we are ready to go to our next stop, Mitsumine Shrine. Yay!